Hello friends, this is Manjunath Chandraya and today's session is on text formula and I'll try to cover three scenarios of text formula and probably there are a lot of options. I will try to cover three which may be helpful. Let's start. As you can see a data, I'm in prefix sheet. In D column, there's a company codes. Let assume a company code has 4 digits, maximum 4 digits number. As you can see here, it is only 345 and 324, 22 and 21. Say the company would have started earlier. This would have the first company it is started, so it is 1. So what we are trying to do is, I just want to add a 0 next to the prior to the number. Let's try adding manually. See, now it is not taking. The other option is try to add single quote and add a 0. Now it takes. The problem is, if you have only the 6 to 7 lines or 10 lines maximum, we can do manually. Say if you have a data around 1000 lines, then it is difficult to add manually. For that reason, we can use a text formula to add the zeros. Let's start. See, we have the data here. So let's start with the form. Any formula, you need to start with equals or plus. So let's start with equal text, open bracket. You can hit a tab. So it's open a bracket. So a lot of people directly write the formula from here. Let's do there are other option called insert function. Let's click on this. As you can see, a function argument box has popped up. So we can add the values. It is easy to add each box so that we know what we are adding there. Let's start. It's asking for a value. The value is nothing but the which cell you're trying to add the text format. I know it's D3, so I've selected this cell. Let's move into the other box. Either click tab or directly you can click on the mouse. So as we know, the company code is 4 digits number, maximum 4 digits. So we're trying to add we'll start with double quote, add 4 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros and close the double quote. Remember friends, any special characters, any word we're trying to add in a formula, you need to start with double quote, end with double quote. Here I know the 0 is a number, but still we're trying to get it in a text format. So I'm starting with the double quote, ending with double quote. Once you add this, as you can see here, result popping up here as well as here, it gives the result. So we know what we are typed, whether we typed rightly or wrong, it'll give the result here. So let hit OK. So now you can see 0 is added. I'll just drag down or copy the formula down. So I'm just dragging this formula down. Now you can see for 1 it has taken 3 zeros, 22 2 zeros, and 324 it has taken single 1 0. And once you copy the formula, copy this again, select the range, copy, right click, paste special values, space special, because we don't want to keep the formula. If you want to keep it formula, you can leave it like that, or if you want to space special, now you can see it has taken zeros. It's very simple guys, and probably it would be helpful whenever you come across any scenario like this. It is not limited for 4 digits. You can add, say company code has 5 digits, add 5 zeros. If it's 10 digits, add 10 zeros. So depending upon your requirement, you can add a number of zeros. Okay, let's move on to the next called date sheet. You can see here in column C, there are some dates, and we want to. So what I'm trying to get it here is, I know it's May 13, 2020. I want to get it in words. Say May 2020. So I know it's April 2020. I need to get like that. So let's try using the formula. Remember guys, and days it's T. For months it is M. Year it is Y. So these three alphabets we'll trying to go use in the text formula. Let's try text, open bracket, tab. I use this text function, so I'm just trying down little. So it asks value. I know this is a cell I'm trying to change. So it says format text. So what you are trying to look out? So I'm trying to look out for a month and need a hyphen year. So month. So what I'll do? Add M 3Ms. So 3Ms is nothing but it says May, M-A-Y, May. So for that I am adding 3Ms. If you add only 2Ms, it will take only 05. So since I need a text, I am adding 3M hyphen year. So let's add 4Y to have 2020. I know it's not popping up here. Let's hit OK. Guys, see now you can see May 2020. You can just drag the formula down. So it has taken. It's very simple and very helpful. So let's add something here. Again we'll add D. So after double quote, adding 3 Ds. Now you can see the result here. Wednesday, May 2020. Let's see it. So very simple. So it doesn't want, say example, you don't want entire year, just delete 2 Ys. So it's very simple, guys. So whichever parameters you can change. So you can keep day and month or month and year. So always start with double quote, end with double quotes. And it is very simple, and it can be used in our any other scenarios you come across on the date. You're trying to get it in a text format. Hope it was helpful, guys. And if you're fine, just I'll try to move on to the next sheet called concatenate. So as you can see, this is serial number, name, date of birth. So what I'm trying to do is I want to concatenate both Raj as well as the date in one. But I need to add a hyphen in between that. Guys, you can use AND function and or you can use concatenate. Let's start with adding AND. So Raj and so as you know, I'm using a special character. I need to get a hyphen between two columns. So for any special character or word, we need to add double quotes. Let's start with double quote, hyphen, close the double quote, add again AND. So select the cell C3 for the date. Now you can see the result. It says Raj and gives the numerical value, but it doesn't say that correct date of birth. So again, it is difficult to, because since it is getting converted into a number, so it is taking the number instead of date. So that's the reason for that. What we can do, we can add a text formula. Let's try using the text formula here right now. So again, text, sorry. So select the Raj, add AND. So I need to get a hyphen in between the columns. So I'm adding open bracket. So double quote, hyphen, close it, double quote, add again AND. So since I'm trying to take directly C3, let's start with the text formula. Text, open bracket, tab. You can use this function. So value 3, I know I need to get this date. I'll select the date. I'll just move on to the next format text. So what we are trying to get is here. So I need to get as it is in the column C. So it says 13 hyphen July hyphen 90. I need to get it same. So I don't need to change anything there. Let's add that. So it's 13 is nothing but day. So I add 2 D's hyphen. July is, it has 3 characters, sorry. So let me add 3 characters. M. Here it is 2. So let me add Y. So I am not added the double quotes. The one advantage of using this function is it automatically takes the double quote. So when you're trying to add manually here in the formula without using this, you need to add a double quote. Here the advantage is it will automatically knows whether it is text or number. So I know it's not showing the value here. Let's hit OK. So now you can see I've just hit. Now it's taken 13 July 1990. Raj, it gives the overall result. Raj hyphen 13 July 90. So I'll just drag this or copy down the formula down. Guys, you can see the names along with their date of birth. So what we did, we just added DD for two digits number. Month it is 3 digits, 3 alphabets. So adding 3 M's. For year it is 2. So I'm adding two y's. So it's in the, you can see here it's already in the double quote. Guys, it's very simple. I know text formula can be used for a lot of other options. I just try to cover the three criteria. I hope it was helpful. Thank you for your time. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, kindly subscribe for more interesting videos and trainings. And thank you again. Happy learning. See you again with new videos.